Want to become a highly paid DevOps engineer in 2025? The tech landscape is evolving fast, and companies are looking for experts who can automate, secure, and scale infrastructure like never before. But where do you start? Hey everyone! In this video, I will walk you through the ultimate roadmap to mastering DevOps, from the basics to the high-paying skills that will make you stand out in the job market. And stick around until the end, because I have a bonus tip that will accelerate your journey. Let's start with step 1. Build your foundation in 2 to 3 months. Master Linux and shell scripting. If you don't know Linux, DevOps will feel like a maze. Learn installation, command line basics, process management, and automation with Bash. Programming foundation Python is your best friend for automation. Learn its syntax, data structures, API, and even consider Golang for cloud-native development. Version control with Git. Ever heard of it works on my machine? Avoid that by mastering Git, branching strategies, and pull requests. Next step 2. Learn core IT skills in 1 month. DevOps means managing networked systems. Learn the OSI model, TCP and IP, HTTP and HTTPS, SSH and SSL or TLS fundamentals to navigate the cloud securely. Next step 3. Learn cloud computing in 2 to 3 months. Choose your cloud provider company's demand cloud expertise. Pick one and get certified. AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, Solutions Architect Associate. Azure, AZ900, AZ104. Google Cloud, Associate Cloud Engineer. Next step 4. Learn DevOps tools in 3 to 4 months. Containerization with Docker. Build, manage, and deploy applications seamlessly. Learn Docker files, networking, and compose. Kubernetes for orchestration. Deploy and scale apps with Kubernetes. Companies love engineers who automate deployments efficiently. CI or CD pipelines. Speed up delivery with Jenkins, GitHub Actions, or GitLab CI or CD. This skill alone can double your job offers. Next step 5. Infrastructure as code. Terraform mastery. Learn how to manage infrastructure declaratively, saving hours of manual work. Next step 6. Monitoring and logging. Master observability. Use Prometheus, Grafana, and the ELK stack to monitor performance and troubleshoot like a pro. Next step 7. Hands-on projects in 1 to 2 months. Real-world experience. Apply what you have learned. Build projects on GitHub, contribute to open source, and showcase your portfolio. Employers love real-world proof of skills. If you want to learn more about DevOps, then enroll in our full course, Introduction to DevOps, on our website. The link is in the description box. Now time for the bonus round. Want to get hired faster? Start documenting your journey on LinkedIn, GitHub, or even a blog. Share what you're learning, post your projects, and connect with industry experts. Many people land jobs just by showcasing their skills publicly. Now it's your turn. Which skill are you focusing on first? Comment below. And if this roadmap was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more tech career tips.